morning, guys. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning. Evelyn has woken up. This is usually when I wake up. She is asking for me. I don't know if you guys are listening to her, but yeah, we're gonna go get her and brush our teeth. And yeah, this is gonna be a realistic mommy and daughter morning routine. Alright guys, so turns out she wants to come straight downstairs and she didn't want to brush her teeth now, so I'm just letting her calm down here and then we'll come back to brushing her teeth later. Alright guys, so we're back and I got to brush my teeth. I brushed her teeth. She chose a spooky Halloween pajama set and now she's happy. Sometimes you just gotta give them a little break so they can calm down, and then you can come back to whatever you were doing, trying to have them do. So yeah, I'm gonna make her some breakfast besides the banana she's eating, and I'm gonna make myself some coffee, and yeah, enjoy some cooking time with me and Evelyn. ¡Ay, qué rico! Otro. ¡Ay, qué rico! ¿Vamos a echarle huevo? Yes? Okay. Y 3. Yeah. Dos. 3. 4. 5. So our breakfast for Evelyn is done. She has some omelet cut in pizza slices. She likes to call it pizza. And some grapes on the side. Let me show you guys. So that's her breakfast. So she is eating her breakfast now. I always give her a little bit of milk on the side in her sippy cup. She is 2 years old, so yeah, I want her to learn to use a sippy cup and eat on her own. And she does pretty good with it. And she is watching some Netflix. I'm gonna make myself some coffee now. This is how I make my coffee. So I like to put some creamer, honey, cinnamon, and some whipped cream on the top. I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. And this is how I make my coffee. It's good. You should try it at home, guys. Let me know if you like it. And this is what it looks like at the end, with the cinnamon and whipped cream on top. So now Evelyn is ready to play, and she wants me to be the patient and she's the doctor. I have a fever? Oh no, I have a fever. Is that for the fever? Is that going to put my fever down? Oh, she's gonna give me a shot now. Dr. Evelyn's gonna give me a shot now. Ouch! Ouch! Oh, she's looking for more. Oh, that's for my knee. Ah! 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 Do my knee feel good? Is it good? Oh, you gotta hear my heart? Check my heartbeat. Is everything good, doctor? Everything good? No? What's wrong? What's wrong with me, doctor? Am I sick? Am I sick? The doctor doesn't know if I'm sick. Are you all done? Are you leaving? That's it? That's it? Oh, she's writing some paperwork now. Look at her. She's writing some paperwork now. Oh, she's giving me the paperwork. All done? Am I not sick anymore? Oh, the doctor's out. She left. Her job is done. She's back. I'm not sick anymore. Am I sick? Yes? Okay. What is this? Okay, guys, so that's us playing after we have our breakfast. I didn't really make myself some breakfast, but I'll make something to eat later. She's still here as a doctor. So yeah, that is our realistic morning routine with a 2-year-old toddler. I hope you like this video, and let me know if you want to see more of our day and more routines, like nighttime routine maybe. The doctor is still checking my heartbeat. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.